Good morning. The present video lecture will be useful to the students of MA final year 4th semester. Paper 3 Indian Writing in English. This is about Unit 4 Bharati Mukherjee's The Management of Grief. It is a short story. The present short story Management of Grief is divided into 3 modules in this video lesson. The first one, Module 1, talks about Bharati Mukherjee as an outstanding writer. Module 2, Management of Grief, its central summary and characterization. Module 3, the critical analysis on management of grief. This is Module 1. In this module, we will discuss the bionet of Bharati Mukherjee, major concerns of Bharati's works, 3 phases of her writing, Mukherjee's major works, the works of Mukherjee at a glance, other works of Bharati Mukherjee, the middleman and other stories. Finally, we conclude this video lesson with the introduction to the management of grief. In this module, we will be talking about the broader context in which Mukherjee's management of grief can be understood. By the end of this video lecture, you will get an idea about the larger significance of management of grief and its place in the overall context of Indian literature as a whole. Let me tell you something about the biographical note of Bharati Mukherjee. Bharati Mukherjee, who prefers to be designated as an American writer, was born in an affluent family of Calcutta. She was Indian-born American novelist and short story writer who delineated in her writing the cultural changes and alienation in the immigrant experience. She completed BA from Calcutta University in 1959 and MA from University of Baroda in 1961 and PhD in 1969. In the year 1963, she met and married a Canadian from Harvard University whose name was Clark Blasey, who was also a writer. She was a professor at the University of California, Berkeley. We know that she was an outstanding Indian writer. Every PG student across the country has to study about Bharati Mukherjee and her contribution in the Indian writings in English. Major concerns of Bharati's works: 1. Concept of expatriation, the status of new immigrants, feeling of alienation, and also lives of Indian women and their struggles, the elements of autobiography. She talks not only cultural clashes but also on undercurrents of violence. When we talk about the 3 phases of Mukherjee's writings, usually critics have divided the works of Bharati Mukherjee into 3 phases. Phase 1, 2 and 3. The first phase, to find her identity in her Indian heritage. Say for example, by her novels such as The Tiger's Daughter, Days and Nights in Calcutta are the 2 important works in the first phase. Second phase, her experiences of racism in Canada. The best examples for this phase were Wife, Darkness and Invisible Woman. Of course, it is an essay. And the third phase, feeling of acceptance. We can know the feeling of acceptance of being an immigrant living in a continent of immigrants. Some of the works of this phrase are The Middleman and Other Stories, very popular collection of stories to her credit. These are the three important phases which deal with the outstanding contribution of Bharati Mukherjee as a writer in Indian writers in English. Of course, she wrote number of works. She wrote extensively. Some of them are the first novel, The Tiger's Daughter, which was written in the year 1972. The second one, Wife, 1975. The third one, Darkness, 1985. The fourth and the most important in her life, The Middleman and Other Stories, which was published in the year 1988. Of course, the present piece of short story, The Management for Brief, is taken from The Middleman and Other Stories. Fifth one, Jasmine, 1989. We know the importance of Jasmine in Indian literature. The Holder of the World, 1993. Wanting America and Selected Stories, 1995. Leave It to Me, 1997. Desirable Daughters, 2002. The Tree Bride, 2004. And many number of works. Let me tell you something of these works. When we look at the central theme of these works, the first one, as I told you, The Tiger's Daughter, which was written and published in the year 1972, tells of a sheltered Indian woman shocked by her immersion in American culture and on her return to India. The second one, Wife, 1975, details an Indian woman's descent into madness as she is pulled apart by the demands of the cultures of her homeland and her new home in New York City. The third work, Darkness, deals with the indictments of Canadian racism and the traditional Indian views of women and her characters. The fourth one, The Middleman and Other Stories, 1988, centers on immigrants in the United States who are from the developing countries like India. Fifth one, Jasmine, 1989, amongst her best known, centers on a Punjabi woman living in Florida. Sixth one, The Holder of the World, 1993, tells of a contemporary American woman drawn into the life of a Puritan ancestor who ran off with a Hindu Raja. Seventh one, Wanting America, Selected Stories, published in the year 1995. And also eighth one, Leave It to Me, 1997. Both these works trace the journey of an American woman abandoned in India as a child and her return to her native land. Ninth one, Desirable Daughters, 2002, attracted considerable acclaim for its intricate depictions of Indian caste relations and the immigrant experience, reconciling desperate worldviews. The Tree Bride, 2004, broaching issues of time-spanning ramifications of colonialism. Yes, other than these important works, she also wrote some of the minor works like With Her Husband, Clark Blasey. Mukherjee wrote Days and Nights in Calcutta in the year 1977. It is an account of their 14-month stay in India. And later she also wrote The Sorrow and the Terror, the Hunting Legacy of the Air India Tragedy in the year 1987. Mukherjee also wrote several works of social analysis, including Political Culture and Leadership in India, an assessment of leadership trends in West Bengal. Yes, and our present lecture is about the management of grief. Before taking up the short story, we have discussed the biography and the detailed writing style of Mukherjee. The present piece is a short story. The management of grief is a short story from The Middleman and other stories. I already told you it was published in the year 1988. It was a collection of short stories which won the National Books Critics Circle Award in the year 1988. All the stories are known for their engaging plots, well thought structures, and author's writing style. We should admit that the story under consideration is a remarkable piece of writing that deserves our attention. Yes. When we look at the introductory part of The Management of Grief, it is the only story about immigrants in Canada in her collection of books. In The Management of Grief, Mukherjee analyzes the catastrophe that is based on the 1985 terrorist bombing of an Air India jet occupied mainly by Indian immigrants that live in Canada. It is analysis essay. It shall define the main lesson from the story of Bharati Mukherjee. Certainly, you will enjoy the story of Bharati Mukherjee's, that is The Management of Grief. Our present video lecture, it is about the biography and the writing style of Bharati Mukherjee. In the next video lecture, we will be talking about its central summary and characterization, and also module 3 we will be talking about management of grief and critical analysis. Yes, as already told you, this lesson, management of grief, is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 completely focuses on biographical note of Bharati Mukherjee. Module 2 will be dealing with central summary of management of grief, and module 3 will be on critical analysis on management of grief. I think this short video lecture will be useful to you to understand the contribution of Bharati Mukherjee and also the context and the background of management of grief. I feel after this lesson in module 2 and module 3 you will be knowing more about the present short story. Stay home, stay safe. Don't forget to send your doubts to my WhatsApp number. We will be discussing module 2 and 3 tomorrow. Thank you. Keep watching.